Hello everyone. There are 4 concepts discussed in the first chapter, diversity in the living world. They are 1. What is living? 2. Diversity in the living world. 3. Taxonomic categories. 4. Taxonomical aids. Let us see now the third concept, taxonomic categories. Taxonomic categories. The discussion here helps you understand the following. 1. What is a taxonomic category? 2. Species, specific epithet. 3. Genus, genera. 4. Family. 5. Order. 6. Class. 7. Phylum, division. 8. Kingdom. 9. Taxonomic hierarchy. 10. Examples. Let us try to understand each of these. What is a taxonomic category? Classification is not a single-step process, but involves hierarchy of steps, in which each step represents a rank or category. Since the category is a part of overall taxonomic arrangement, it is called the taxonomic category, and all categories together constitute the taxonomic hierarchy. Each category, referred to as a unit of classification, in fact, represents a rank, and is commonly termed as taxon or taxa. Taxonomic categories and hierarchy can be illustrated by an example. Insects represent a group of organisms sharing common features like 3 pairs of jointed legs. It means insects are recognizable concrete objects, which can be classified, and thus were given a rank or category. Can you name other such groups of organisms? Remember, groups represent category. Category further denotes rank. Each rank or taxon, in fact, represents a unit of classification. These taxonomic groups or categories are distinct biological entities and not merely morphological aggregates. Taxonomical studies of all known organisms have led to the development of common categories such as kingdom, phylum, or division for plants, class, order, family, genus and species. All organisms, including those in the plant and animal kingdoms, have species as the lowest category. Now the question you may ask is, how to place an organism in various categories? The basic requirement is the knowledge of characters of an individual or group of organisms. This helps in identifying similarities and dissimilarities among the individuals of the same kind of organisms, as well as of other kinds of organisms. Taxonomic category species. Taxonomic studies consider a group of individual organisms with fundamental similarities as a species. One should be able to distinguish one species from the other closely related species based on the distinct morphological differences. Let us consider Mangifera indica, Solanum tuberosum, potato, and Panthera leo, lion. All the 3 names, indica, tuberosum and leo, represent the specific epithets, while the first words Mangifera, Solanum, and Panthera are genera, and represents another higher level of taxon, or category. Each genus may have one or more than one specific epithets, representing different organisms, but having morphological similarities. For example, Panthera has another specific epithet called tigris, and Solanum includes species like nigrum and melangina. Human beings belong to the species Sapiens, which is grouped in the genus Homo. The scientific name thus, for human being, is written as Homo sapiens. Taxonomic category genus. Genus comprises a group of related species, which has more characters in common, in comparison to species of other genera. We can say that genera are aggregates of closely related species. For example, potato and brinjal are 2 different species, but both belong to the genus Solanum. lion, Panthera leo, leopard, Panthera pardus, and tiger, Panthera tigris, with several common features, are all species of the genus Panthera. This genus differs from another genus, Felis, which includes cats. Taxonomic category family. The next category, family, has a group of related genera, with still less number of similarities, as compared to genus and species. Families are characterized on the basis of both vegetative and reproductive features of plant species. Among plants, for example, 3 different genera, Solanum, Petunia and Dhatura, are placed in the family, Solanaceae. Among animals, for example, genus Panthera, comprising lion, tiger, leopard, is put along with genus Felis, cats, in the family Felidae. Similarly, if you observe the features of a cat and a dog, you will find some similarities and some differences as well. They are separated into 2 different families, Felidae and Canidae, respectively. Taxonomic category order. You have seen now that categories like species, genus and families are based on a number of similar characters. Order and other higher taxonomic categories are identified based on the aggregates of characters. Order, being a higher category, is the assemblage of families which exhibit a few similar characters. The similar characters are less in number as compared to different genera included in a family. Plant families like Convolvulaceae, Solanaceae, are included in the order Polynomials, mainly based on the floral characters. The animal order, Carnivora, includes families like Felidae and Canidae. Taxonomic category class. This category includes related orders. For example, order Primata, comprising monkey, gorilla and gibbon, is placed in class Mammalia, along with the order Carnivora, that includes animals like tiger, cat and dog. Class Mammalia has other orders also. Taxonomic category phylum or division. Classes comprising animals like fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, along with mammals, constitute the next higher category called phylum. All these, based on the common features like presence of notochord and dorsal hollow neural system, are included in phylum Chordata. In case of plants, classes with a few similar characters are assigned to a higher category called division. Taxonomic category kingdom. All animals belonging to various phyla are assigned to the highest category called kingdom Animalia in the classification system of animals. The kingdom Plantae, on the other hand, is distinct and comprises all plants from various divisions. Henceforth, we will refer to these 2 groups as animal and plant kingdoms. Taxonomic hierarchy. The taxonomic categories, from species to kingdom, have been shown here, in ascending order, starting with species in the bottom. These are broad categories. However, taxonomists have also developed subcategories in this hierarchy to facilitate more sound and scientific placement of various taxa. Looking at the figure, can you recall the basis of arrangement? As we go higher, from species to kingdom, the number of common characteristics goes on decreasing. Lower the taxa, more are the characteristics that the members within the taxon share. Higher the category, greater is the difficulty of determining the relationship to other taxa at the same level. Hence, the problem of classification becomes more complex. Let us see the taxonomic categories to which some common organisms like housefly, man, mango and wheat belong. Common name: man. Biological name: Homo sapiens. Genus: Homo. Family: Hominidae. Order: Primata. Class: Mammalia. Phylum: Chordata. Common name: housefly. Biological name: Musca domestica. Genus: Musca. Family: Muscidae. Order Diptera. Class Insecta. Phylum Arthropoda. Common name mango. Biological name Mangifera indica. Genus Mangifera. Fam. Illy Anacardiaceae. Order Sapindales. Class Dicotyledonnae. Phylum Angiospermae. Common name wheat. Biological name Triticum aestivum. Genus Triticum. Family Poaceae. Order Poles. Class Monocotyledonnae. Phylum Angiospermae. The next concept is taxonomical aids.
We suggest you to subscribe the channel and also click on the bell icon to never miss any updates from our channel.
Thanks for showing interest in Taxonomic. Have a great day.